Welcome students, Standard 10 Science, 10th Standard Science, fill in the blanks, answers for all lessons. Unit 1, Laws of Motion, page number 13, fill in the blanks. 1. Force. 2. Inertia of motion. 3. Negative. Positive. 4. A gear. 5. 980 Newton. Page number 13 in your textbook. 1. Laws of motion. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Force. 2. Inertia of motion. 3. Negative. Positive. 4. Gear. 5. 980 Newton. Page number 29 in your science textbook. Lesson number 2, Optics. Fill in the blanks answers. 1. Ray. 2. 1. 3. Elastic. 4. Wavelength. 5. Iris. Page number 39. 3. Thermal physics. 1. 6.023 into 10 power 23. 2. Scalar. 3. 1 gram, 1 degree Celsius. 4. Straight line. Page number 56. Lesson 4, Electricity. 1. Current. 2. Resistance. 3. Parallel. 4. Voltage, current. 5. Light emitting diode. Page number 70 in your science textbook. Lesson number 5, Acoustics. Fill in the blanks. Answers are 1. Vibration. 2. South to north. 3. 500 Hertz. 4. 2067 Hertz. Page number 87. 6. Nuclear physics. Evaluation questions. Fill in the blanks. 1. 3.7 into 10 power 10. 2. Positive charge electron. 3. Radio ion, that is Fe59. 4. International Commission on Radiological Protection. 5. Dosimeter. 6. Gamma rays. 7. -1 e power 0. 8. Gamma. 9. 3.84 into 10 power minus 12. 10. 10 power 7 to 10 power 9. 11. Question number 11. Radio phosphorus, that is P32. 12. Leukemia. Page number 103. 7. Atoms and molecules. 1. Same, different. 2. Neutrons. 3. Artificial transmutation. 4. Mass number. 5. Standard atomic weight. 6. 1.008. 7. Homo. 8. Atomicity. 9. 22400. Question number 10, 4. Next, page number 122 in your science textbook. 8. Periodic classification of elements. 1. Ionic. 2. Sixth period. 3. Atomic number. 4. 0.99 angstrom. 5. A plus. 6. Henry Moseley. 7. Decreases. 8. Lanthanides, actinides. 9. Bauxite. 10. Hydrated ferric oxide. Page number 134. Lesson number 9, solutions. 1. Solute. 2. Mercury with sodium, that is amalgam. 3. 100. 4. Polar. 5. Of expansion of liquid. Page number 152. 10. Types of chemical reactions. 1. Neutralization. 2. Hydrogen. 3. Physical equilibrium. 4. Increase. 5. 1.00 into 10 power minus 14 mole power 2 cm power minus 6. 6. 7.4. 7. Decomposition. 8. 1. 9. Decomposition reaction. 10. Hydronium ion. Page number 170. Lesson number 11. Carbon and its components. Carbon and its compounds. 1. Functional group. 2. CnH2n minus 2. 3. Root word. 4. Unsaturated. 5. Ethane. 6. Absolute alcohol. 7. Blue, red. 7. Saponification. 9. Straight. Page number 184. Lesson number 12, plant anatomy and plant physiology. Fill in the blanks. Answers are: 1. Endodermis. 2. Radial bundles. 3. Cytoplasm. 4. H2O. 5. Mitochondria. Page number 198. 13. Structural organization of animals. 1. 7. 2. Diprotodon. 3. Prostomium. 4. Sanguivorous. 5. Nephrons. 6. 37 pairs. Page number 214. Lesson number 14. Transportation in plants and circulation in animals. Fill in the blanks. Answers: 1. Transpiration. 2. Simplest. 3. Root hair. 4. 120 mm bar 80 mm Hg. 5. 72 to 75. Page number 227. 15. Nervous system. 1. Neuron. 2. Association. 3. Stimulus. 4. Dendrites. 5. Sympathetic, parasympathetic systems. 6. Centriole. 7. Cerebrospinal fluid. 8. gyri, sulci. 9. Thalamus. Page number 239. Lesson number 16. Plant and animal hormones. 1. Auxin. 2. Ethylene. 3. Abscisic acid. 4. Rice. 5. Cytokinins. 6. Parathormone. 7. Insulin. 8. TSH. Thyroid stimulating hormone. 9. Cretinism. Lesson number 257. 17. Reproduction in plants and animals. 1. New cells. 2. Fruit. 3. Regeneration. 4. Internal. 5. 6 to 7th. 7. Colostrum. 7. Pituitary gland. Page number 271. Lesson number 18. Genetics. Fill in the blanks answers. 1. Alleles. 2. Phenotype. 3. Chromosomes. 4. Polynucleotide. 5. Mutation. Page number 283. Lesson number 19. Origin and evolution of life. 1. Acquired character. 2. Vestigial organs. 3. Homologous. 4. Charles Darwin. Page number 297. Lesson number 20. Breeding and biotechnology. 1. Plant breeding. 2. Atlas 66. 3. Colchicine. 4. Biofortification. 5. Automata 2. 6. rDNA. 7. Molecule scissors. 8. Identical twins. 9. Stem. 10. Suitable vector or plasmid. Lesson number page number 312. Lesson number 21. Health and diseases. 1. Alcohol. 2. Nicotine. 3. Leukemia. 4. Drug addiction or drug abuse. 5. Type 2 non-insulin dependent. Page number 326. Lesson number 22. Environmental management. 1. Decrease. 2. Soil erosion. 3. Deforestation. 4. Nilgiris. 5. Electrical. 6. Fossil. 7. Biogas. And then page number 333. Lesson number 23. Visual communication. Here is no fill in the blanks questions. Okay students, thanks for watching. This is 10th standard science book plus answers for all fill in the blanks questions. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. See you.